Christine. Ninyumuni na ninyumu we sunsum wo mu too much. Sunsum we wo mu ne se ensemu amame ne kan wa ninyum ne mu no. Emu edu, emu pi ne emu do ankasa. Ubehuna ma ye fefe. And so dear who come no onam for funny onam for no they don't know. Every time one be who be anu wa ye shepe. Aya nyame adom wate. O kind of japade no kind e car odin so fa ka ho. Nyame nhira na ma oni payo defo. Obrejuma enka ho. Bia na problem bia wo komu abrabo mu no nyame nim wate. And so problems are wo komu ni dia wo mu hu o. Nyame ahyehyɛ wo. Wasiesie o. I say the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. I say he leads me beside still waters. Now dear Dennis said he restores, he refreshes your soul. One do one who to nyame sword. Share one ding empa de biara da. A says I would do one who to nyame sword. Or shower ding. Or mawa one ding. Or crow one and courier taban so. Now the other crown said hey, na who more brunning na domino they are new every morning. And then so they are chayin. Yamia to me a bomb putting pubio right here. I do my fam so. Yamfana ye yembre ne sanse oye na doya so hoda. Good afternoon to you. Baby I will be an mema kwaba na machia na me do abadwumadi so your friend Ofie Kwanso. Right on at 106.3 FM. And I'm a mama mini abema Jerry the Justice. International mapa. As well. Pacha upo bi de ho ato no so abrabo mu afa ho to nyame so wate ono nko na omma won sansi from the biara da I see even the time wa ye ba ba wumpo na onimu nyame nimu papa onimu how onimu su na onimu weakness tio nyame nimu onimu how onimu su ena onimu weakness o mira oye nyame nim enu ti hwe sanka nyankopon hwe ye mira oye su no nko ne ye dia we don't even deserve to even see today since ye nyina ye nye perfect sanka nyame hwe me no mienu ye sinto ene ye mira oye na one ye dilia menya hwempo sanka we even see today mpo nyame adum ntini ye tenkwam na ene bran yi mensaka eye ye count